Welcome to the Quizers. Are you ready for the toughest decisions of your life? Then let's play Would You Rather Hardest Choices Ever. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel for more games just like this. Let's start. Would you rather take this elevator or take that one? Would you rather go to school in this car or go to school on this bike? Would you rather win a Nobel Prize or win a gold medal at the Olympics? Would you rather control time or teleport? Would you rather eat chicken feet or eat a century egg? Would you rather be on this last matter or be in this boat? Would you rather be in a room with 50 spiders or be in a room with 50 mosquitoes? Would you rather walk through this tunnel or be stuck in an elevator? Would you rather bring someone back to life or be immortal? Would you rather live in the Middle Ages or live in the future? Would you rather have no one attend your funeral or have no one attend your wedding? Would you rather lose a tooth or lose a nail? Would you rather walk on a tightrope or walk on hot coals? Would you rather live without shampoo or live without soap? Would you rather have these nails or have these eyebrows? Would you rather go bungee jumping or climb a mountain? Would you rather live without a phone or live without the internet? Would you rather keep Netflix or keep YouTube? Would you rather visit heaven or visit hell? Would you rather play Fortnite or play Call of Duty? Would you rather be stuck in traffic for 1 hour or be stuck in an elevator for 1 hour? Would you rather listen to your mom sing or listen to a crying baby? Would you rather explore the depths of the ocean or explore space? Would you rather spend the night here or like the video? Would you rather live alone on a desert island or spend your life in prison? Would you rather only eat pizzas or only eat burgers? Would you rather always walk barefoot or walk backwards forever? Would you rather have crooked teeth or have widely spaced teeth? Would you rather be lost in the middle of the Sahara or be lost in the middle of Antarctica? Would you rather be able to fly or be invisible? Would you rather fart in front of your crush or fart in front of the whole class? Would you rather be a famous TikToker or be a famous YouTuber? Would you rather swim with sharks or jump without a parachute? Would you rather be surrounded by people you don't like or be alone for the rest of your life? Would you rather always have greasy hair or always have bad breath? Would you rather save this kitten or win $1 million? Would you rather see an alien or see a dinosaur? Would you rather go down this slide or go on this ride? Would you rather lose a tooth or break your nose? Would you rather be a famous social media influencer or be a famous Hollywood actor? Would you rather walk on Lego or walk on pebbles? Would you rather win $500,000 or speak all languages? Would you rather release a fart at a family gathering or release a fart in your classroom? Would you rather lose internet for a year or gain 50 pounds? Would you rather teleport or read minds? Would you rather marry the person to your right or never get married? Would you rather see hell or see heaven? Pick your next challenge and make sure to like and subscribe.